Hi, I'm Darshan Divakaran, and this is the Unmanned Arizona Summit and Expo. We had a great conference, and to talk about the conference, I have the Aerospace Arizona Association and the Aerava team. Altogether, great conference.
My name is Moses Koyabe, and I'm out here at the Mesa Sheraton, where we've had a very successful 2 days of Unmanned Systems event. We are very happy and lucky to be associated with our out-of-state colleagues from North Carolina. However, this just demonstrates how Arizona is a key focal point in the unmanned systems industry. We are building up and bringing unmanned system to Arizona, whether it's both for safety, whether it's for commercial purposes. But if you were out here at our event, you will know that unmanned systems are key in the development that we bring to Arizona.
Unmanned Arizona was one of the best opportunities for policymakers to interact with folks from industry, discuss new ideas, new platforms, and come up with cutting-edge ways to solve public policy problems and get ahead in the industry.
Hi, we're concluding up the summit today, and we've had another panel of some fantastic speakers. We started off with learning all about date pollination and how drones are used to pollinate dates and how they're used in agriculture. That was followed up by Jeremy Grogan from the FAA going over what's new in the FAA as it pertains to the drone industry. And then we had the Women in Drone panel where Lori participated, and we talked about the role that women have in drones and how that goes. And Lori, why don't you tell us a little bit more about that panel?
I loved the panel, by the way. The women were amazing on the panel, and just hearing their history and their background, and not just about women, but it's just truly about diversity and how, you know, talking about how just building up this industry with diversity, and it was great. I loved it. And I always find that there's always something new. There's always something different.
And the energy that everybody brought to that.
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Bob Hildenbrand. I'm the program coordinator for Aerovat. And we just concluded our Unmanned Arizona conference here in Mesa, Arizona. And I wanted to explain to you how the experience was for all of our participants. The feedback that has come back to me from the participants, people who came not just from Arizona, but from the region, as well as other locations in the United States. The feedback was their learnings were significant and that the speakers were knowledgeable and covered topics that they were very interested in. They also said that the actual venue was wonderful, the setting here in Mesa was perfect. They enjoyed the flight demonstrations a tremendous amount.
Hello, I'm Riley Beaman.
I'm Thomas Wallace.
And we're finishing up here at Unmanned Arizona, where we've had a great summit this year. This year we focused on some different things with demos. We brought together some hands-on stick time for attendees to get a chance to try different platforms out in the field. And I'll let Tom talk a little bit about some of the other demos.
Yeah, we set up these demos. We brought in our Parrot, Anafi drones, our Mavics, Inspires, all different platforms for people to be able to come out and fly if they've never flown before. We gave hands-on instruction. We showed them how that we can work in Class B airspace, get waivers. We showed them how to obtain all this information. So, I mean, it was a great informational session, and everything was safe, went smooth. So it was a great couple days.
And one of the key features of the summit was this year we worked with different partners to bring DJI, SenseFly, and Pix4D together to collaborate on one large demo for the entire summit, which focused throughout one day. So as far as we know, it's one of the first times this has happened for a collaboration between these three entities. So we're really excited, and we'll be showing you guys some footage on how that went.
So we had a great event for public safety attendees, panels on how to integrate UAS into public safety agencies and how to use UAS for disaster response and emergency management. Also had some great flight demonstrations outside for attendees to see how UAS can be used in emergency response.
Hey, I'm Jeremy Stafford with Idle Blasting here, helping out Aerovat with Aerospace Arizona. Here we got a bunch of technology. We're demoing, showing off to the people here, anything from drone detection to actual drones, drone mapping. We have some fixed wing platforms that they were trying out some long range. There's also some aircraft inspection that's going to be happening as well in partnership with American Airlines.
So my name is Scott Currin. We're wrapping up the Unmanned Arizona Expo. Went over GIS mapping and technology and post-processing software. Great turnout, a lot of people are interested. Looking forward to next year.
So you heard it. Isn't it an amazing conference? Don't worry if you missed it this time. We'll be back next year, bigger and better. Until then, Arizona, stay unmanned.